Guys, apparently Mom thought we were on video. So hi everybody, welcome back to our grocery haul.
Courtney hasn't been here when I did them. It was raining, and so this morning I was going to go grocery shopping, and I said no, it was raining too hard, so I went this afternoon. I was going to do grocery pickup, and I didn't get it put in time, so we're going to...
We went to Walmart. I think that's the only place, right?
Yeah, that's all I went, Walmart.
Before we start, guys, you know the drill. Make sure you subscribe, like, and turn the post notifications on.
She's so dramatic.
Let's get straight into it. Okay, guys, so the first thing we have is we have some Fiesta blend cheese, some mozzarella cheese, and some sharp cheddar cheese. Then we have some minced garlic.
Okay.
Some mini cherry fruit pies. I already dug into these, as you can see.
Yeah, she did that on the way home.
And it's good. We have 2 bags of Spanish rice, a little thing of black horse ham, honey buns, and these little beef taquitos. Oh, that's cute. We have sour cream, guys. We have 2 of these Chobani Flip. There's almond cocoa loco and peanut butter cup.
Those are my favorites.
I love the mint chocolate chip. I ate it this morning for breakfast. We have some French vanilla coffee creamer.
I wanted to get the sugar cookie, and they were supposed to have had it, and they were, I guess they were out.
We checked already 2 times. Some sugar, garlic powder. This is rice-a-roni Mexican style.
I've actually never bought that one, so I wanted to try it.
We have spaghetti noodles, guys.
I got a big package because, yeah.
We have some little scrub sponges.
Yep.
Then we have, I'll show them first. This. We have some Sara Lee Sweet Hawaiian Rolls. I love sweet Hawaiian
I thought those would be good for supper tonight.
Some cheddar and sour cream chips. Cheese and garlic seasoned croutons. French fried onions. Stovetop chicken stuffing mix. Cheddar cheese. And
cheddar cheese soup.
Cheddar cheese soup. And refried beans, traditional beans.
Oh, and I got one of these cherry limeade.
Cherry limeade. And then we have 4 boxes of cream.
They were 10 cents each, so yeah. And then I was so excited about this, y'all. I've been wanting to get a cold brew coffee maker thing. And I was going to order one off of Amazon, and they were out of the one that was recommended. And now our Walmart sold this. So I got this, and I'm excited to try that out because I love iced coffee.
By the brand Badum, whatever you want to call it.
What is it? Boo.
I don't know.
Well, stop moving it. I'm trying to read it.
Badum?
It's Bodum or Bodum. I don't know. Anyways, I'm excited to try that, and
really
I will let you know how it worked out. It was $12.82, I believe.
If it works out, then that's a pretty good price, guys.
Yeah, because I mean, you spend $3, $4 or more for an iced coffee when you go buy one, and even if you buy the iced coffee like the Stokes, it's like almost $5 for that container, and you might get maybe 4 coffees if you make a big cup, 4 to 5 if you're lucky.
Okay, let's close out this video. So, if you enjoyed this, guys, are you subscribed? They're subscribed, you're not, because you're gonna miss out if you don't. And make sure you turn on the post notifications so every single time Mom posts a video, you will notice.
Y'all, and look at this shirt that she got. She picked this out.
I get my attitude from my mom. Because I sure do.
So thank y'all.
Hopefully y'all enjoyed this, and we'll have probably another one out.
Yep,
and
we'll have our What's for Dinner on Friday.
And
thank you.
Bye-bye, guys.
Yeah.